Hello children, welcome back to maths class. We have studied multiples of numbers. Do you remember that? What is a multiple? How do you get a multiple of a number? We get a multiple of a number by multiplying that number by any number. To get a multiple, we have to multiply that number by any number. Isn't it? Therefore, a number has infinite number of multiples. Okay? When we multiply a number by any number, we can multiply a number by any number. Therefore, a number has infinite number of multiples. Next, we are going to study about factors of a number. Factors of a number. Factors of a number means when we divide a number by another number, if there is no remainder, then the divisor and the quotient will be the factors of that number. Once again, when we divide a number by another number, then if there is no remainder left, then the divisor and quotient will be the factors of that number. For example, a number 12. 12 divided by 4. What we will get when we divide 12 by 4? 12 by 4 is 3. Okay? 12 by 4 is 3. There is no remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. Then we can say here the divisor is 4 and the quotient is 3. Therefore, we can say 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. 4 are the and 3 are the factors of 12. Okay. There are some other factors for that number 12. When we divide 12 by 2, we will get 6 as the quotient and the remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. Therefore, a number has different factors but finite number of factors. Okay, a number has a finite number of factors. Therefore, there are two more factors for 12. When we divide 12 divided by 12, what we will get? When we divide a number by the same number, 1 is the quotient. Therefore, here also it is 12 is completely divisible by 12. That means remainder is 0. Therefore, 12 and 1, the divisor and the quotient are the factors. 12 and 1 are the factors. Therefore, we got how many factors? In the first set, 4 and 3 are the factors. In the second one, 2 and 6 are the factors, and 12 and 1. Therefore, we got 6 factors for the number 12. Therefore, which are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor and that number itself is a factor. For any number, remember, for any number, 1 and that number are the factors. Okay. Then 1 and 12, then 2 and 6 and 4 and 3. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 4 and 3. Therefore, 1 is the smallest factor and 1 is a compulsory factor for all the numbers. And that number is the highest factor. Okay. Therefore, and it has only 6 factors. That means a number has a finite number of factors. We can see some more examples. Next one is number 16. Okay. We can divide 16 by 16. Then the answer is 1. And we can divide 16 by 4 and we can divide 16 by 2, or we can say we can find the factors in another way. We can find out which two numbers multiply will get the product 16, which two numbers can multiply to get the product as 16. We can write the like that way. Therefore, 1 into 16 is 16. Okay. 1 into 16 is 16 and 2 into 8s, 2 8s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. Okay. to find the factors, use the multiplication table and find out which two numbers multiply, we will get that number as the product. Therefore, 1 into 16 is 16, 2 8s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. Therefore, these are the factors. Therefore, we can write the factors of 16 as, factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16. Therefore, to find the factors of a number, follow this method. Use the multiplication table and find out the factors. No need to use the division method. Okay, the fact is, factor means when we divide a number by another number, if the remainder is 0, then it is a factor. We can find the factor by using the multiplication table. Okay, therefore, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors. This 16 has 5 factors. That means the number of factors are finite. We can count it. Finite means we can count the number. Okay, then another number 4. Number 4. Which are the factors of 4? We can write 4 as product of 1 and 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. There is no other product to get the number as product 4. Therefore, the factors are, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. These are the, there are 3 factors for the number 4. That means a number has finite number of factors. Then look at the factors. 1 is a factor for 16 and 1 is a factor for 4 also. Therefore, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. 1 is a factor of all the numbers, and in the factor of 16, that number is a factor. Therefore, and that is the biggest factor. Therefore, the number is the greatest factor of that particular number. Okay, therefore, 1 is a factor for all the numbers and the number itself is the greatest factor. Okay, these are the things we need to remember about factors, and factors are finite only, finite number of factors. Therefore, factors of a number. When a number divides another number without leaving a remainder, the divisor and the quotient are the factors of the dividend. Therefore, factor means when we divide a number by another number, then without leaving a remainder, and if the remainder is 0, then the divisor and quotient are the factors. Then 1 is the smallest factor of any number and 1 is the factor of all the numbers. 1 is the smallest factor and the greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Therefore, the smallest factor of a number is 1 and the greatest factor of a number is that number itself. And there are finite number of factors. Therefore, find the factors of the following numbers. 16. Factors are, how do we find? We have seen that. How did we get? These are the factors. Then factors of 11. How do we find the factors of 11? How do we get 11 as a product of 2 number? How do we get it? We will get 11 as a product by multiplying 1 and 11. 1 into 11 is 11. There is no other multiplication sentences like that. Therefore, the factors of 11 are 1 and 11 only. This 11 has only 2 factors. 11 has only 2 factors. And next one is 81. The number 81. How do we get 81 as a product? How can we multiply? We can multiply 1 and 81. Okay, that is 81. 1 into 81 is 81. Then we can multiply 3 and 27. That is equal to 81. Then 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Okay, therefore, these are the multiplication sentences to get the product 81. Okay, therefore, the factors are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. We don't repeat the numbers. If the same factors are coming, no need to repeat it. Therefore, the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Look at these factors. In all these factors, 1 is the smallest factor and the number itself is the greatest factor. Therefore, we can say the factors are less than or equal to the number. The factors of a number are less than or equal. All the factors are less than or equal. Okay, equal to that number. These are the properties of factors. Then find the common factors of the numbers. To find the common factors, first we have to find out the factors of each number and then find out the common factors. 10 and 25. We need to find the common factors of 10 and 25. The factors of 10 we will get like this: 1 into 10 is 10, then 2 into 5 is 10. There are only 2 multiplication. Okay, therefore the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Like that way, factors of 25, that is 1 into 25 and 5 into 5. 1 into 25 is 25, 5 into 5 is also 25. Therefore, the factors of 25 is equal to 1, 5 and 25. Okay, then find out the common factors. Common factors means which factors are common in both the numbers. 1 is common in both the numbers. Then next, 2 is not a factor of 25, therefore it's common, not common. Then 5 is also a common factor. Therefore, the common factors are 1 and 5. Okay, therefore, to find the common factors, find out the factors of each number separately and then pick up the common factors. Then 32 and 16 factors, find out the factors of 32. The factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. How did we get this? 1 into 32 is 32, 2 into 16 is 32 and 4 into 8 is equal to 32. That's why 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are the factors of 32. Then find the factors of 16 also. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And the common factors are 1 is common, then 2 is common, 4 is common and 8, 16. Therefore, there are 5 common factors for the numbers 32 and 16. The next is find the highest HCF. HCF means highest common factor. There we have seen the common factors and the highest common factor. Therefore, to find the highest common factor also, we need to find out the factors separately, factors of each number separately, then find out the highest from that factors. Factors of 24. 24 we can, we will get 24 as 1 into 24. Then 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Therefore, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. And the factors of 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15 and 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Okay. Therefore, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Then find out the common factors. Common factors are 1 is common in both the numbers, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor and 6 also is a common factor. Therefore, the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. From that, the biggest is 6. That's why the highest common factor is 6. Therefore, we have learned about the factors. Factors means when we divide a number by another number without leaving a remainder, then the divisor and quotient are the factors of that number. And the properties of factors are the number of factors. A number has finite number of factors. The number of factors for a number, for any number is finite. And 1 is the smallest factor of a number and that number is the highest factor of that number, and 1 is a factor of all the numbers. 1 is a factor of all the numbers, and factors of a number are less than or equal to that number. These are the properties of factors and we can find out the factors, common factors and highest common factors. So there are some homework. Let us try 6.3 page number 92, 1 E, F, G, 5 and 6. Let us try 6.5 page number 97, 1 C, D and F. Okay children, that's all for today's class. Bye.